That doesn't matter. Oh yeah, it does because everybody would want to see the engine.
I need another spoon. Grandpa, put it down there.
My rims are better than yours, Grandpa. Look. There's your rim, and here's mine. Oh, and it goes on that one. Yeah.
It's a little loose.
No, like almost off. Oh, that's easy. All I need is a little screwdriver. Grandpa, shame on you. Already crashed my car. This piece in.
Why not?
It won't fit. Just one go in for me.
You describe what's going on.
I'm making a model of a car. People, it says right on the door. What is it? PT Cruiser. He just blurted it out, so ask him. PT Cruiser.
That's about the hottest car in the world, isn't it?
No. This whole list. Except that middle one ain't hot. This one, I'd get for a model. And this one for a model.
But you said PT Cruisers were the hottest cars around.
You must said that.
They're really working well together, and Hamlin has got a really good attitude.
No.
You gotta think which one it was on now. Yeah, this one.